Hello everyone, in this video I will review the Rizon app. Rizon is a stablecoin-focused financial app designed to simplify the use of digital dollars, specifically USDC and USDT for everyday transactions. The app offers a non-custodial wallet, giving users full control over their funds while maintaining high security. It is available on both iOS and Android platforms and can be accessed in multiple countries, making it a convenient option for global users. One of the main strengths of Rizon is its global accessibility. Users can send, spend, and save stablecoins globally, making it easy to manage digital assets without constant conversions. The app also features a user-friendly interface, allowing even beginners to navigate transactions efficiently and easily. Security is a key strength, with Rizon using advanced measures like Face ID and passkeys to protect funds. Additionally, the app is clear about fees, charging only for card issuance, network gas, and ATM use without hidden costs. However, there are a few limitations as it supports only USDC and USDT, which excludes users holding other cryptocurrencies. Another drawback is that physical cards take longer to arrive, though virtual cards are issued instantly. Overall, Rizon provides a reliable and intuitive platform for users looking to use stablecoins in their daily financial activities. Its easy setup, global reach, strong security features, and transparent fee structure making it a solid choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.